Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make Hyderabadi Paya Shorba. It is lamb feet. It takes time to cook. So let's see the ingredients and process. To make Paya Shorba, first we need 4 feet of lamb. I have cleaned it, washed thrice, and I'll keep this aside. 2 big onions finely chopped. 1 bunch of fresh mint leaves. Coriander leaves, 1 bunch. Oil around 10 to 12 tablespoons. 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fresh curry leaves, 1 string. Few peppercorns. 3 bay leaves. Whole garam masala, that is cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. SHAHJEERA, 1 tablespoon. Jeera powder, 1.5 tablespoon. Red chili powder, 3 tablespoons. Desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons. Garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon. Salt to your taste. To start the process, first put on your stove. Keep a pressure cooker. Add oil. I have taken all the peppercorns, whole garam masala, and I have crushed it. Now I am going to add this in a hot oil. Onions. Saute your onions. Then add ginger garlic paste, turmeric, mint leaves, bay leaves, curry leaves. Then paya, feet of lamb. Mix thoroughly. Now after 5 minutes, add salt, jeera powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and desiccated coconut. Now mix well with all the masalas and add water. Add 4 glasses of water. Stir well and pressure cook. Pressure cook for 45 minutes. After 8 whistles, now I'm going to switch off the flame. Cool down your cooker. Here my cooker is cool. At this moment, I'm just going to check my lamb feet. Wow, our lamb feet is perfectly cooked. I have checked it. It's cooked. At this moment, we'll add chopped coriander leaves. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot. So this was our today's recipe, lamb feet Paya Shorba. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our Paya Shorba. Keep watching our channel for more new recipes. Thanks. Bye.